Simple voltaic cell. Alessandro Volta introduced the invention of the simple voltaic cell in the year 1800. This device was groundbreaking as it could generate a constant potential difference between two plates by utilizing chemical energy. Construction. The construction of the simple voltaic cell involves two plates, one made of copper and the other of zinc, each equipped with brass terminals. These plates are positioned within a glass container, and their terminals are connected to a voltmeter through insulated copper wires. When dilute sulfuric acid is poured into the container, the voltmeter records a potential difference of 1.10 volts. In Volta's era, it was assumed that copper served as the positive terminal, while zinc acted as the negative terminal, causing an electric current to flow from copper to zinc through the external circuit, through the copper wires. Theory of simple voltaic cell. Amongst the zinc and copper plates, zinc is more electropositive, ionization potential 0.76 V, as compared to copper, ionization potential plus 0.34 V, in electrochemical series. The dilute sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte in the ionized state. It's important to note that while free electrons actually drift from zinc to copper in the external circuit, the conventional terminology describes the electric charge as flowing from copper to zinc, referred to as conventional current. The actual flow of electrons from zinc to copper constitutes electronic current. The electromotive force, EMF, between the zinc and copper plates in the external circuit is calculated as 0.34 V, 0.76 V, resulting in an EMF of 1.10 V. However, this type of cell has limitations and cannot provide a continuous current for more than 10 minutes due to defects such as local action and polarization, which are beyond the scope of this syllabus.